This morning I'm doing a short 5-kilometre circuit around Brent Knoll, starting off in East Brent at the church, and from here we're going to go round through the fields, finishing up at the top of Brent Knoll, which is just over there behind me, and then coming back down. So it's going to be less than an hour round. The footpath goes at the top left-hand corner of the church graveyard. It's a little hidden, but when you get here it's fairly obvious. So heading up above the church, just climbing a bit up to, it's a bit of a plateau, which is where we're going to be for the next 20 minutes or so. And in behind me, over there you've got Crook Peak, which is where I was a few days ago. Last few steps, fantastic views behind, fantastic views all around. Glastonbury Tour, 21 kilometres. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing and click the bell notification to stay up to date.